Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 19 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have the wand halter with various hex keys, along with a pouch, handles, micro and large bits, and our magnet. Now let's see what's behind number 19 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the Wera screw gripper with holding function for our pouch. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 20. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.